Hello, good morning. Today we're at Blizzard Beach and it's all in ski resort theme. So you've got your ski lift taking you to the top, and you go to the top of this mountain and that's where you get all the big rides down. So they've got the Summit Plummet, and we've already been on it and it is fantastic, isn't it?
It was amazing.
It's like a proper vertical drop and everything, and it goes really fast. Having a great day here, and yeah, let's go and get on some rides. We've had a fantastic day here at Blizzard Beach, and it's going to close now. We're just going to jump on the last couple of rides and then head home. So have a good day, haven't we? Yay. So stay tuned to join Expedition. Thanks for watching, guys.